Hello viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain preposition, one of the important concept part of his speech. Students often getting confused. What is a preposition? How to find out prepositions? What is the position of preposition? Where to use prepositions? All these things you will get in this video. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. At first you have to understand what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that is used to link a noun, pronoun, gerund to other words within a sentence. Okay. Common prepositions are in, on, at, for, since, with, by, etc. Let's see use of prepositions in sentences. I live in India. India. Okay. In before India. India is noun. In is preposition. So, in is used before noun and noun is proper noun. The man is standing under the tree. Under is used before noun, the tree, noun phrase. Okay. So, under is preposition. Is used before common noun. The boy leaned against the wall. Against is used before the wall, before noun. Okay. So, before noun, wall. So, against is what? One preposition. I want to go with him. I want to go with him. With him. Him is pronoun. So, before pronoun, we use preposition. She is interested in learning new languages. In learning, here, ing form of a verb. That acts here as a noun. So when a verb, ing form of a verb acts as a noun, that is one gerund. Before gerund, we use preposition, right? In learning. He is working under pressure. Under, before, pressure. Pressure is noun, abstract noun. Before noun, we use preposition. She is having lunch with the team. With the team. Team is collective noun. So before collective noun, we use preposition. That means prepositions are used before nouns. Nouns in the sense before common noun, before proper noun, before collective noun, before abstract noun, before pronouns and also before gerund. We use what? You use prepositions. This is the position. That means before nouns. Always the prepositions are followed by nouns. You should remember that. Then in another way, we also use prepositions. Let's see how prepositions take front position and end position. During the game, the crowd was very loud. Here, during, followed by noun, the game. So during is preposition. Before the movie, let's get some popcorn. Before the movie, before followed by the movie. So before is preposition. In affirmative sentences, we use prepositions in the front of the sentence. In interrogative sentences also, we use prepositions in front. From where did you get this information? From where? So from is preposition. To whom are you sending the letter? To preposition is used in front of the sentence. That's the person I was talking about. In affirmative sentence, preposition is used at the end of the sentence. This is the house she grew up in. In preposition is used at the end of the sentence. You see here in both the sentences, preposition links what? That's the person I was talking about. About links to the person. Okay, so about is used for person. So about is used at the end of the sentence. This is the house she grew up in. House. Okay. In links to house. In takes end position. What are you looking for? In question mark. What are you looking for? For takes end position. Who are you going to the party with? With takes end position. So in such way we use prepositions. Prepositions are used before nouns, Prepositions are, that means the prepositions take mid position, prepositions take front position, and also prepositions take end position. I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos. Thank you.